Okay, I got my SunJoe lawnmower out, my SunJoe corded lawnmower. There's the cord plugged in. After all the rain we had this year in Vegas, you can see the weeds are tall. And the cats like the tall weeds, but they got to go. So here I am with my SunJoe, and I'm gonna clean up all these weeds with my SunJoe corded electric lawnmower. So today's Friday, and it's somewhere around noon, and I'll let you know what it looks like when I get done. If I can get this thing turned off. All right, I got a start on it. You can see that it's working just fine, and my neighbor's chickens were making a lot of noise just a second ago, but the minute I turn on my camera, there you go. Yeah, he's letting us know what he's complaining because I'm cutting the grass. Okay, I got about, I don't know, a little less than half a can, but it's working just fine. And I just had one of the NetJets planes fly over on the way to McCarran Airport, and they flew past the house here because they were checking out what I was doing with my SunJoe. Okay, I'll be back. Well, as you can see, I didn't finish up yet, but you can see what my little SunJoe does. Does a good job. Pigeons like it. And the pomegranate out there, I let it grow wild and blooms every year. It's about ready to bloom now, but you can see, nice cutting job. All right. Okay, that's it for today. I got other things to do.